What is up, everybody? Last time we were here, we were building this monstrosity of power plant. The moment we got had a bit of a issue here, but I'm thinking if we do Mark 1 belts for the sides, since they really don't need to be Mark 5s, we should be able to reduce that issue. Hoping. Turned out a couple of them already. We're gonna see what we have for material. And hopefully we can start seeing some coal end up back here. So we're gonna do this quick, and then we will get started on getting phase 4 stuff's built. Gonna see what we can have trucked in from elsewhere. Not 100% sure on what we'll do after we finish that. Did a bit more work on our Minecraft world. Nothing too fancy. Got ourselves a slime ball. Apparently. That traveled 5,000 blocks to get it. And then just go for even game days for slime to actually spawn. Looks like that's all rolling. Gonna hop back over here and take a look-see at which ones we turned off again. We'll turn these guys back on and find out if we resolved our little predicament with our supply here. Because our water's just fine the way it is at the moment. We got 3 lines going through here. So the only way that really saw being feasible. Unless we run through and we shut down all these here. Shut down all these guys and wait for them all to fill up, and no, I'm thinking that's probably not gonna solve the whole thing of what we got going on here. For right now, we'll give that one the remainder of what we got there. And this one, we can get that there. Like, overall, we're producing way more power than we need as is. So this kind of fluctuating like it is, that's not too much of an issue. Actually, we could disconnect this from the rest of the grid if we really wanted. Not much of a point in doing that. Yeah, we're producing about we'll say about 9,000 roughly at the very moment. But yeah, we got 32 coal generators here. So let's see. What do we need for the to complete the phase 4 stuff? Oh, and we still gotta finish decorating that up too. Wee. Probably make this look a little better down here. There. That looks a little better. But, we're gonna head over to our base elevator. Thinking we'll probably clean that up a little better here at some point soon. Probably make it more of a straight shot down. Well, yeah, that would involve a lot of work, but I think that'd be okay. So let's head over to the space elevator and see what we need. For getting our phase 4 stuffs done. From what we were looking at, the nuclear pasta is gonna definitely take a while. But he's okay. Alright. So, magnetic field generators, assembly director systems, thermal propulsion, and nuclear pasta. Okay. Let's see. So, I think the easiest one to start with would probably be this guy right here, the thermal propulsion rocket. Yeah, this one would be the easiest. Would have to get the modular engine set back up, but and then get the turbo motors going. And then that'll take about 1,000 of those. The final phase of early access. Employee of the planet. Delivery will unlock a small reward in the awesome shop. Okay. Well, let's see. Well, what about this guy? Oh, actually, no, this guy would be the easiest to get rolling here. We're already making supercomputers. And that does one every... or that produces one at a rate of 3/4 per minute. Okay, so we'll probably set up a small group of assemblers. Got 4,000 there. We do a bank of like 10 assemblers. Let's see. So yeah, take a quick look see here. We can probably tear this guy down. Yeah, adaptive control units right there. So, gonna require heavy modular frames, computers, circuit boards, and automated wiring. Okay. Yeah, let's get this guy tore down. I think we might add in a another train station here. Set up something that's more so over here, and that can drop off the final product. Oh, let's see. We're looking at 0.75 per minute. If we do 10, that would be 7.5 a minute, right? Yep. So, what if we... Okay, so if we want to do 10 a minute, we'd need about 13.33 assembler. Okay, so we'll do 14 assemblers, I suppose. That'll give us just over 10. Now, where to build that? See, what don't we have? Yeah, we can build over here. I think that should be fine. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll offload a lot of this. And then we'll start grabbing all the materials to build out a decent platform. Sure is kicking a lot of copper back this direction. Well, I suppose it's probably kicking a lot more in here than it is, actually using. Just gonna take a quick peek at what we're dealing with here. Oh. Yeah, that is... Okay, that is not emptying out fast enough. What are you? No? You're already a Mark 5. Didn't really leave us enough room to get around here, it looks like. And that's going over into this mess of a thing here. All that extra plastic and whatnot. Come to think of it, I don't think we, yeah. Okay. There. Then that can work on offloading all that. Let's see. So then... Guess let's make our to-do list here, shall we? If I can remember the right button now. So what did we say? It was 14 of these? Okay. And 12 reinforced plates. 56 rotors. And 140 cable. Top. And then 56 rotors. Uh-oh. Oh, I saw something flashing. Oops. Problem with playing so many different games that have so many different controls. I don't think there's any trains that are stuck at the moment. Got that one all the way over there, doing the oil stuffs. It was probably this. Driving. Yeah, that'd be my guess. It was probably that. Only thing that I can think of that would be flashing. Oh, that or it's an issue that resolved itself already. Constant Conrad. Thanks for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. What were you playing? How was your stream? SF. It was good. Well, that's good. Ah, satisfactory. I was just setting up to build the, I was just setting up to start building the components for, Phase 4. Just grabbing the, materials. Yeah, not too much really left to do on this run. You do slash shout out and then the channel's name to do the shout outs there, Vec. I gotta go do some post stream maintenance, but I'll be back soon. Alright. You take your time, do the heckin' self-care. Alright, let's see. We can remember what buttons to push here. Alright, so yeah, this is the one that we're looking at here. We're already planning to place down about 17 assemblers here so we can get roughly about 10 a minute. Because we gotta produce about 4,000 of them. We've got about a buffer of 1,000 megawatts right now. Supercomputers we're having made in that structure there, so we can probably pull those and send those off with a train. The adaptive control units, we don't have those being made anywhere at the moment, so we'll have to set up something to make those. I believe that's gonna require one of these. Here. Adaptive control unit. Yep. Okay, so that's also going to require computers, which is being made behind us. Heavy modular frames. Those are being made over there. We've got to finish putting all the walls on that. We started doing a cake theme, but haven't really come up with any other cake-themed colors to go with. If anybody in chat has a suggestion, please feel free to suggest another flavor we can go with for that. Let's see here. So manufacturer that produces 2 per minute. And this is gonna be pulling down 1.5 a minute. So that's going to require us to just want to make sure that we're keeping the right amount here. Let's see here. 1.5 or 2. So 5. Okay, so we're gonna need to be producing 21 uh 21 of these adaptive control units here. And so let's see here. Finished cleaning this keyboard earlier today and not used to how well that made it work again. Actually, I think it works better than the when I got it. Okay. So if that's so we're gonna need 11 of these, not 101. 111, I mean. Okay. So we'll need those. Probably should have planned this out ahead of time. So we're gonna need 14 of those and 11 of those to create a little over 10 of these a minute. So let's see here. We got cable, circuit boards. What is that? And it's gone now. I think it's one of the trains that are doing that. Let's see. Yeah, so the only thing that we don't have being made here is these automated wiring cable, and I think rotors are being made over there. I'd have to double check though. Let's see. Plastic. Let's see now, where is, right here. Okay, so there's that, and then motors. There we go. Oozy. Alright. And then cable, that's down below here. We'll probably build a structure similar to that right there. And then we'll have a train station underneath it. Huh? Not sure I understand what you typed there, Vec. Alright, so automated wiring. Gonna see if we can... Yeah, not seeing anything that... Well, okay, it's probably that Explorer right there. Can't do anything about that, unfortunately. Alright, back. But yeah, that Explorer right there, we accidentally yeeted into the void and can't get it back. So that's probably what's flashing there, and then it's just occasionally making its way to the let's see. Can we it doesn't get rid of that marker. Oh, wait, is that the aluminum train having that issue? I hope not. Let's see here. Oil, train. Where is it? Oh, it's up there. Oh yeah. Train is waiting. Oh, that's a problem. I think we'll have to go fix that here at some point. But that's quite a walk. Not entirely sure what's going on with that one train. Oh right, might need some material here to build the platforms. There. And we'll grab some concrete. Okay, that should be enough for that. Or should we go attend to the train quick here? It'd be it would be quite a detour from where we want to go. Suppose we'll probably start building our other structure here. See if we can navigate over all these belts and whatnot. Thinking of just building right off the end of this guy here. Just gonna have to be kind of careful because that's right into the void there. That'd be kind of upsetting if we fell down there. There. Give ourselves something to actually stand on. Yeah, I think we'll build out this way a little here, enough to have a train swing in here and drop off whatever we're needing brought in and taken out, and then be able to do a turnaround. We're gonna start building off the same platform we got here. Alright. And then we'll probably go one more row out this side here. There. Let's see here. Transport. So we're gonna want another train station. And let's see here. What all are we gonna need to bring in? This is the let's see here, the supercomputers and the computers we can catch coming out of there, as well as the circuit boards. Well, yeah, we'll start off with just grabbing whatever's coming out of there. Circuit boards are kind of produced by overflow. So where does that leave us? Cable, stators, or stators. Yeah, we'll say 3 for now. We can always expand this. I'm gonna go grab what we need to top that off. Looks like we're gonna need a little more cable here. We can probably use the node off the train station as a power source for the train that we're gonna have. Well, don't know if it's gonna be one or more than one. At the moment anyways. Oh shoot. You know what? It'd help if we had some steel beams for the track. Didn't think anything of it. Right here. There. Yeah. Here. That should be plenty. Let's see. If I'm thinking right, that whole structure there is only enough to be producing about 2 per minute. And that structure is only making heavy modular frames on one of the 3 recipes I think that we have unlocked. The 3 or the 2? I'm not sure at the moment. Alright, so let's see. I'm thinking on which train that is. That's the train that would be stopping off at this station here. And we can very easily just disconnect that without worrying about disrupting it. The train that's stuck over there somewhere. Let's see. Disconnect those. And then we're going to lay down a segment of track here so we can split off of that. There. Then we should be able to, of course. See. We go away. Okay, so it's just not having it. Let's see. When did I... Okay. Alright, so we're gonna disconnect that all the way to back there, see if we can run a solid line right through about the center of this here. So let's see. Right about there. Alright, there. And then we can... Oh, that was scary. That would have been bad. Alright. Well, let's run on over here and back up there. You know what? We'll reconnect this, segment here. I'm not entirely sure what we were doing that required us to disconnect this in the first place. Can't afford. Oh no. I guess we need some pipe. Let's go grab some pipe. There we go. We get some pipe. There we go. Let's see. Where is it? Right there. There. Would probably help us a little in our efforts of building here, but that's about how we need that. So we can run a segment over to about right there. We'll set up a let's see. Yeah, we'll set up a couple of block signals for this station here. Haven't really touched this since last week, so I'm still not entirely sure what we were working on last week, aside from the power plant that we came back to. Here. So we're going to place down 3 of these. And a station right on the end here. Looks like we're gonna have to stretch this out a little further. But we can connect the back end here. And then let's see. So we'll do one more for good measure. For anyone that's interested, we do have a couple of things in chat for anyone to play with. If you do exclamation 8-ball, you can ask the 8-ball questions. 8 balls, 1 word. Let's see here. Let's over to up 3. Sure. Will this bean be... Fair enough. Alright, let's see if we can eyeball this here. So that's on that line there. Oh. Thanks for the poop. If we go to land, let's see, right about here, go over to here. Oh, of course it's not gonna do it. Yeah, let's get this hooked up to this other end here. Still figuring out a couple of things with the trains. There. Got the turnaround done. We got a node for the power. We'll probably make a staircase of sorts off to the one side here so we can get up to another level. Oh, probably use catwalk. Let's see. How tall is that? Pull out some walls here. I guess could have just done that. Okay, so we'll say about 6 high. We don't really want to affect the inlets or outlets of these here, so we'll probably build our staircase in between. Alright, I guess we could also do a, whatchamacallit. Let's see, where's that? These guys. Yeah, they're just called stairs, I guess. I guess we could just do these two. Alright. So I guess that's where we're gonna end off for a staircase there. Wonder how many times we'll end up going right through the center. Suppose we could put like a concrete beam right through the middle. That'll keep us from falling down. Well, I guess the magic number be 7. Possibly. Oh. Actually, you know what? I think what we could probably do is... No. Okay, that's a stair right. That was stair left. Ah. Right, stair left here. There we go, that'll work. Yeah. We'll need those up there anyways. About even with top of that wall. We could, we'll probably put down a platform here so we're not running right off the edge. Oh, it's not gonna work. I have platform. Yeah, that'll work. Sorta. Or maybe we should try just catwalk stairs instead. That's what I used to, let's see here, where is it? That building over there. That's what I used to, build the staircase over there, is just catwalk stairs. Let's see. We're gonna be probably going up with whatever comes out of those 2, and then the first one will probably be a, take. We'll get these guys set here. Excuse me. Hit the squirrel. Squirrel. Hi, kid. Can I get a shout out for Kit, please? Because squirrel. It's slash. You almost had it. Yeah, we don't have that here, I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. Been having weird issues with the bot since uh since they did an update, I'm thinking. There. Alright. The other slash there, Vec just made Vec mod today here. They're still learning. Here, I'll do it for you. If you haven't already, be sure to go check out Kit and give them a heckin' follow. They're an amazing bean and a very adorable squirrel. Honestly, last time I looked, I'm very, very close. Need to hold an average of about 5 viewers for this stream and I'll probably get it. I think. I could be wrong. Yeah, no ad. Yeah, I agree. Been doing okays. Got a pesky cough, but that's allergy season for you. Or, that's allergies for you, I should say. Start of spring. Yee. Gotta support the squirrel. Oh. Give me one second here, everybody. I'm gonna take a quick drink here. Yeah. You can advertise. Oh, okay. That's appreciated. I've thought about starting up a Discord server, but I have no clue how to do most of that. Oh, hey, Kit. We're building a tower over there that we're doing sort of cake themed. Uh, so far we've got confetti, chocolate, and vanilla. Yeah, fair enough. Um, do you have any suggestions on, cake flavor that we could go based off of? I also need to finish walling up that building and adding lights and such. Yes, cake. You can fly over there quick if you'd like to see. The moment we're just boxing in the base of this here. Cheesecake. I'd definitely have to double check what color to make that. I'm not entirely sure what color cheesecake is. Uh-oh. Gotta go get more material. Wow. Yeah, that definitely got close to flipping through that. The one rule that I kind of imposed on myself is minimal clipping possible. Like, okay, there's one or two places that I know of on this map that has some sort of clipping going on, but for the most part, it's been staying pretty decent. Had to restart a couple of builds just to hold true to that. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, we just need concrete. All the concrete. Cheesecake. Let's take a look see here. Cheese. Oh, okay, I guess there's a couple different colors of cheesecake out there. Oh, that's strawberry. So when you say cheesecake, do you mean normal cheesecake? I'm assuming? No, I don't want to buy paint. I just want to see what the color is for it. Okay. See if we can just do this here. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright. Now, we're gonna head over to our tower over here quick and add in cheesecake right above the confetti cake. Oh. Okay. I didn't know I could do that. I guess we just hitched a ride on a train. Oh, right, I keep forgetting to change that. There's a power pole like right over there that I'm thinking of tapping off of and powering this whole thing through that. Let's see here. See if we can fly up here without falling. Alright, customize. Nope, that's not what we want. We want to edit. And let's see what this says. Alright, well that's what the internet says for the color there. Boop, boop. There we go. That color. Gotta make sure I don't fly too far away from the building here, because there's most of the power's centralized. And I'm only on a wireless jetpack. Yeah, there. Can go a couple shades lighter if need be. But at some point we'll start wrapping it all the way around for our different colors. That little box there is just a limestone miner. I think it's a Mark III underclock to meet the needs of this here. Actually, this whole thing's not really moving too much, it looks like. But let's return to what we were doing. Also thinking of redoing this entire ramp here. Might do that off stream, might save that for a stream. Haven't decided yet. Well, it's faster than walking. Did we attend to that, one train that's stuck over there? I haven't seen either the quartz train or the, or that train come through here in a while. Kinda need those to keep this whole thing... Oh. Oh, looks like I never reconnected that. That's another thing to do. But let's see. Is there a train over here? Yeah. There's a train right here. Turn off self-driving. And since we made it to where the exit is combined here, we can just take this exit and head up there. Gonna take us a sec, but it's just a copper train. Gonna have to find another spot for that one to drop off its excess. But we're gonna go see what's holding up the other train here quick. would be the train that handles all the infused frames and whatnot. I'm gonna back up here, smidge. Missed the turn as soon as it's. Dang it, kid. Well, if I wasn't awake before, I am now. No, 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 don't go down the hill. Ryer. And then, looks like we gotta go up this way. Hey, quartz train now. All the huggies. The quartz train end up here for some reason? Is that what's going on? I mean, they're... Oh, wait. Yeah, that would be what's going on. Thought... Alright. So I thought I had bypasses all set up for all the different areas up here, but apparently not. Puddle puddle. Not sure how that would work. Oh. I see. That's what happened there. Ah. Okay, so looks like what happened here. Yeah, and he's just slowly going back down. Looks like what happened here is I forgot to remove one of the block signals. So what we need to do here. Which way do you pick up? You come in and you pick up from this way. Oh, that's okay. But why didn't you go this way then? I'm not gonna try to understand. Just gonna do this, do this. I'm gonna back up a smidge here. Might have to get another running start at this. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a running start at this. Where'd that train stop? Alright. Well, we're gonna end up punting that train off the track, I can tell you that much. Ready? 3, 2. Yep. Whee! Yep, we went a little too fast there. Alright. Come on. Yep, it definitely went wrong. Except we didn't... Doesn't seem like we even moved this other train. Yeah, this guy didn't move, that guy did. Wish I was better at timing. Well, it doesn't help that there's like a, I don't know, anywhere from like a 5 to 20-second delay. Unfortunately, I can't do much about the delay myself. Alright. Can I... No? Can I enter this? So... if we... Yeah, I've been noticing that the delay is only about 5 seconds here recently. Which I think that's pretty good. So then, if we park you here, I'm thinking what we'll probably end up having to do is, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm thinking what we'll end up having to do is probably something like, set another batch of, these block signals here up for the stations themselves so that the trains can go through where they're gonna go through. Alright. And back down the hill we go. Once we get onto the intersection down there. Actually, if we do this right, we can just use the, oh, wait, no, we can't. Come on. Stop, please. Come on. Alright, fine. Looks like we're going backwards all the way down. Choo choo in reverse. I think what's even funnier is I'm not pressing anything right now. But I probably should. Not quite. Although this is going to be a problem. Because now I've gotta figure out some way to get this guy spun back around here. Well, actually, I might know of a way. Gonna have to be kind of careful because we're going against traffic right now. Okay, yeah, should be fine. There. Should be good. If not, there is a, okay, yeah. Yep, he's good. I was gonna say, though, if if he was still going the wrong way, he could have gone up where this guy just came out of and done a loop-de-loop. So that's what it means to be trained. Sure. I think that's the shortest train that I've got out of everything here. But, yeah. I'm gonna have to fix that at some point soonish. Let's see. So, thinking what we'll do for power. Well, let's get ourselves a decent staircase going up first. Thinking we can probably go all the way back to about here and just have a nice catwalk just all the way over there. See, we're about, what, 6, 7 walls up? That's about 7 stairs. But we start back about the second tile in, go up about 7 stairs, I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be just fine. Ramp, stairs. Oh. Would help if we had the building material. There. I wish. That would be interesting. But this is not Minecraft. And you... There we go. Alright. So let's see. Oh, right, these do, like, half tiles? Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it's like half tiles. Which means... right here, land us about midway on this tile. 4. Okay. Yeah, so we can actually get closer to that. Cool. Here, so 1, 2, 3. So right about here is where we can go. Alright. And then we can do a patch of catwalk. And that'll be how we get from all the way down there to up here. Let's see. Catwalk, here we are. That one for safety. There. Alright. So then we did this right. I'm thinking we probably didn't. Oops. There. That'll line up with the edge of this guy, and then we can just... Oh, right. Confusing train stations already. Let's see. So the other thing that I probably should have done, but I didn't do, is made it to where... Well, no, that's an exit only. Yeah, that's an exit only track right there. Don't want to start mixing those up. But there we go. There. Alright. Yeah, it spans out a little ways, but that's okay. And then we can go up to about right here with our building for at least the first of those 4 components there. Let's see if we got enough material on us to make a wall outlet. Probably also finish making this here. There. Oh, okay, so we need wire to do that. Need to do the automated wiring, but I think, well, actually, we could probably implement the cable construction right on site there, because we're bringing in quite a bit of copper, and not a whole lot of copper is getting used. Let's see. So, well, that would be quite a bit of room. Don't know how much cable we'd need, but it's essentially two machines to take the raw copper ingots, turn that into wire, and then one machine to turn that wire into cable. And let's see. They're stuck again. Let's see, are these supposed to be hooked up to anything? Yes. Yes, they are. Also, what's supposed to be connected here? Probably that. Ah, yes. There. In case there's any overflow, but... Oh, wait, no. No, that's right. All the stuff that'd be, dropping down is already being sent off. Okay, never mind. Means we can also pick up that. No. Can we not delete the wall, please? There. Alright. Woozy. There. Alright, so this is supposed to be copper. That explains why we're seeing so much copper being fed back that direction. So if that's copper, then this is plastic. And then the iron itself is being pumped up there like it's supposed to be. Ice cream? Did you bring enough for the whole class? Oh boy. I just remembered a thing from, what was it? It was some YouTube channel. Pie flavor. That's what I'm thinking of. Brain just sometimes plays random memes just out of nowhere. I'm trying to figure out what all I was trying to go where. Okay, so what actually needed to be plugged into copper? I thought this entire machine was all hooked up already. Apparently not. The screws are going to where they're supposed to be, but it doesn't look like anything else is. Which is weird. It's... unless... I might have been through here to try to do something and ended up... Oh no! Oh no! Alright, let's fix that quick here. Heckin' plastic snuck itself onto the wrong line, it looks like. Oh man. Alright, so let's see here. So is that input or output? That's output. And so this is input. Are you connected anywhere here? Yeah, you're connected right there. And then you're also connected there. We'll return to building the Phase 4 stuff here in a minute or two, just trying to determine what the heck happened here. Looks like something got disconnected right through here. So, looks like the copper was supposed to dodge off right here. Return to monkey! Let's see. There. 6. Okay, that's gonna grab the copper. And then I think we can probably do this one here. What's that? We do not have the material for a Mark IV. We'll have to come back and... I'm not sure where that just went, but okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what just happened there, but okay. Okay, I guess we just had a invisible lift. that whole time. Alright. Go back down. If I'm thinking right, go here, go up to here. Go like that. Go like that. And those two are not lined up. Okay. So gonna have a floor hole right here. Do something like that. Hopefully those two are connected. I'm not sure if they are. And then once we join the line that was here, we should be able to yeah, we'll leave this open for a bit. Come back through and make this look all fancy again. Yeah. Alright, that should start getting stuff to where it belongs, hopefully. Plastic's going somewhere. Probably should have turned this. Should be fine. Alright. So then, like, copper. That little bit of copper that just snaked its way through, that should get split up there. Smoothie. Alright. So, looks like we got another influx of copper coming through. Yep. Yep, so any overflow copper is going that way. Why do you... What you do... We... Beef is? Not sure I understand. Waffles? Okay. So, copper's going where copper belongs. Plastic looks like it's going where it belongs now, hopefully. Yep. Plastic's getting fed into these guys here. Copper sheets are starting to get rolled in. Looks like some of the plastic actually been up here. Yep. Some of the plastic's being fed into this guy here, and then this guy's making computers. And it's not plugged into anything. Well, that's a problem. And then this is, I believe, a return of sorts. Oh, we're gonna punch some holes in the side of this and figure out where the heck this all goes. Let's see. So then that belt's going this way, and that's the output from there. This goes down. And that goes into a floor hole straight through a belt. I'll have to fix that at some point. And that does one of the most annoying things. At least it's annoying to myself anyways. So it just flips right through another belt there. Oh, I see. So then that's where everything's getting sent back through. Why did I do it like that? Like, it would have been so much easier to just... Wait. Yeah, it would have just been so much easier to just have another one right here. Something like that. Yeah, just something like that. Not sure if that's connected at all, but guess we'll find out when something actually goes down this line here. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's connected. There. Alright, let's fix that hole in the floor there. And this hole here. That one there. Just wanted to do a tad bit of exploring there. Figure out what was going where. Okay, so then what we can probably do, I'd imagine, is run a line. Probably have to do a splitter of sorts. Not sure what was trying to go where here, but your crystal oscilloscopes. Okay, so this needs cable. So it looks like we were feeding it cable through here. And then this guy was making supercomputers. Needs computers. What about this guy up here? This guy is making radio control units, and it also needs computers. So many things need computers. Might have to start building massive plants just to keep up with the computer demands. Okay. Well, let's, for right now, let's reconnect that to over there. There. Then that way, at least those are going somewhere. They're probably gonna get ran through an awesome sink, most honestly. But that should be fine for now. Alright. So we grabbed wire? Yes, we did. Alright. Let's try to get at least the first couple floors of this built. So we're going to... I think that's only going to give us a single... Yeah, that's only going to give us a single thing there. We want a double-ended guy. This guy. There. And then we'll connect the power lines up through the outside. There. And then that's how we'll power the individual floors. Well, I suppose what we could always do is, we could set up just another massive plant where we're making everything on site here. That would be quite the massive plant, most honestly. Or something that we're only going to be doing once until update 1.0 comes out, and then we'll probably just start over. There we go. So see. First floor is built. Well, should we do kind of like what we did with that tower over there, where we built everything in one facility? Or should we have just different stuff that's being made elsewhere just be brought in via some means or another? I'll be honest, that tower took a while. Alright, yeah. We can definitely do somewhat spread out. Let's see. So, if we're doing kind of spread out, then we can probably do a thing of manufacturers just on this floor, and if we got the space for it, we'll do the assemblers. Well, let's see. How do we want to do this? I guess we can start with this one here. If we have to, we can always spread them out between floors too. And then start the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you try having facilitated to just one thing, like one being literally just chips, then another to only bolts, etc., and have a central area that resources come and go from. It really depends on what you're wanting to build. Like circuit boards, there's to build something like a circuit board, for example. You gotta make plastic, and then you also have to make copper sheets. In order to make the plastic, you got a couple options that you can go with. You can either make it directly from oil, which is a resource that is brought straight out of the ground via a pump of sorts, or you can make it from resin, which is a byproduct of making fuel out of, again, oil. So that one, yes, it makes sense to have some of this stuff spread out, but have, like, say, the copper for that process brought straight to where you're going to have those circuit boards made. And then screws, it'd make more sense to have sorry, I thought I saw something pop up on the stream manager there. But like screws, for example, it'd make more sense to either make those at where you have the iron, or have the iron brought to where you're wanting to make screws, because you're probably going to use the screws to make something else. Have those refined down to rods, unless you unlock the alternative, which uses the iron ingots to go straight to screws. And then just use the screws for whatever you need from there. So it really depends on what you need the individual component for. The more steps involved, the more likely you can sort of spread out some of this stuff. So what I'm kind of like what I'm doing here, or what I'm thinking of doing here, since we've got circuit boards, computers, supercomputers, all that being made right in that building there. Excuse me. I'm thinking build all this right here, and then just have a train grab the end result product and haul that off to the space elevator there. And then once that's done, this whole building here will have almost no purpose after that, because I don't believe, I could be completely wrong, but I do not believe there's anything else for those components aside from the space elevator. Let's see, we got 3 manufacturers left, so I'm thinking what we'll probably do is stretch this floor out a little more, make enough space to run everything into here, and we'll probably have a manifold that's split off on 3 for the 3 different rows here. It's definitely going to look interesting, that's all I know for certain. Well, maybe. I guess we'll find out. Let's see. So this is about 2-3-ish wide. See what we can do with another row of tile here. Yeah, if we bring these right up to the edge here. 1, 2, 3. Build that out. 1, 2 more. I'm thinking we're gonna have to stretch out that station. But yeah, this is everything that we have unlocked at the moment. Haven't done anything with these guys yet. Let's see. So what all these guys are gonna be making is these. Oh, right. Automated wiring. I forgot about that. Yeah, should be fine by itself. Yeah, we'll build a separate facility for that. The boop song. But yeah, I'm thinking what we'll probably do is Well, might have to stretch out this side a little too. Maybe. So then that's gonna be one of the two components for 14 of these little guys. And let's see. These little guys are gonna make this. I gotta sleep tonight. You'd be good. Patchy attack helicopter. Don't know about that, but I do know that we be pylons. I appreciate you for stopping in and hanging out there, Beck. You sleep well. Well. Alright. And the supercomputers are being made over there. Okay, yeah, that should be fine. So that needs 4, so yeah, we'll need to have at least 5 things being brought up. We'll do one more for good measure. Alright. Okay. I'll certainly attempt to. Gonna be at this for a good bit here. Alright. So that gives us a reference point. And then we'll probably build off the back end here. Oh. Oh, okay, come on. There we go. Yeah, I guess there's no power until we get to about back here, looks like. Yeah, that node's right there. We went up about 5. Go up about 4 there. Center of the wall. Plug in our cable. Alright. And then we can place down our yeah. Probably start right in this corner here, just like we did with that other floor there. We're doing 14 of these guys here. They're a lot smaller, so we should be able to fit most of these in a single row here. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. We're not gonna place that one there. We got 7 here. Since we got the room, I think we'll give ourselves a midge space here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. Then let's see. Yeah. And then we can run mergers off of both of yeah. I think what we'll probably end up doing is for the merging side of things, probably start on that side, have it go all the way around, hop over to this side, and run the line straight down this side here, and then have it feed out probably somewhere over here. But before we do any of that, let's get ourselves some walls here, so we don't accidentally go off the edge. That would not be fun. Let's see. I think these are about 3 high. Something like that. Yeah. Do another double-ended wall outlet there. Perfect. There we go. Let's see. So how do we want to do this? Preferably in the least intrusive way possible. I think we got the Mark III power poles unlocked. Yeah. And that can do up to 10. Yeah, I think we'll probably drop down a couple of 3 power poles for this layer, and then probably do 3 for that layer there. Let's see. Staircase wise. Not entirely sure how we're gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. Let's see if we got the material to place down more catwalk stairs here. Yeah, go there for now. If we gotta move them, we'll move them. Then if we want to put an actual doorway here, we can, and that shouldn't be in the way of that. Yeah, that should be fine. So we finished off that one to-do list. Now we're going to grab 3 of these and do those. Alright. We got our list of things. 2, 3. Alright. And this guy. Grab some of that. And then these are up top here. Once we get everything powered, we'll start figuring out how we're going to run belts between floors here. Could probably do a single power pole or a standard Mark 1 for the last layer there, but we'll keep it consistent. This, that one there, this other one there. Actually, well, probably gonna set that one back a little ways here, or I suppose what we could do is go right from the top. Have a flat ceiling and just go right from the top here. That probably sounds like a better plan. Let's see. Floor. Nodes are these. Then they are. It's kind of close to the center of these. Alright. I guess we're kind of changing gears on how we're doing this then. Yeah, and then we still gotta set all the recipes for these guys here. And then that one's maxed out. We upgrade that one next year. Oh, lettuce. Okay, cool. Lettuce. Alright, there. All those are now connected. Cool. And then we go through paste that all these there. Cool. Alright. And then I suppose we could probably do the same thing to down here. Yeah. Go right in row with this here. Okay. And then over to here. There. Alright, now these guys are all plugged in. Let's get these guys, oh, yeah. Alright, now we need to get the mergers all set so we can get them sent up top and those guys all connected up. One of them. Alright. Let's see if we have the material to do this. So we got how many down here? 14? Wait. Or wait, no. That's up top. We should have 11 down here. Or 8. Yeah. Okay. So 11, 14, that's 25. Oh, cool. Yeah. Got enough to do mergers for all 25 of these guys. Let's see. So I think what we'll probably do is, yeah, the other 2 rows, since we're gonna be feeding them in from over there, we're gonna send the resulting stuff up top here. In this back corner. And in this corner. I think I should have set that out a little further. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to move these guys. And then we'll probably do with these is we'll probably just have a bunch of smart splitters for separating off what goes where for these different rows. Actually, yeah, if we do that, then we should be fine to leave these as they are. And then, let's see. Oh, actually, yeah, that would leave enough for, like an awesome sink over here. Just have, any overflow of product just going right into an awesome sink here. That way this just constantly stays going. Oh, I guess we can't go any higher than this at the moment. There. Okay. Alright. Oh, wrong button. Uh, well, that didn't work. Alright, and then we can run Mark 1 lines. From here over this way here. Should be seeing about 22 that we're probably gonna drop this first one here to about half speed because we only need 21 going. Oh, okay, that only pumps out 1 a minute. Wait. That might cause it. Might actually need a bigger fleet of these than that. Maybe. Let's see. Gonna double check here real quick. Okay, so it wants 1.5 a minute. Five times. Yeah, it's 21. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna need a bigger fleet of these than just this. So, what do we got here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are some of these red and some of these on standby? Oh, because they're... because it ain't got no gas in it. I think we might have, I think we might have a issue here. Oh, yeah. That would help. There we go. That looks better. Let's see. So we're gonna be pushing out 11 of 21 a minute. So how do we want to? I guess we'll go grab the other 10. So we can clear off our to-do list here. And tell it that we want 10 of these. There we go. Alright, let's grab what we need. Alright, cable. I just ran past the cable there. Guess I'm grabbing a little more than we need. see. And then want to make sure that we're gonna have enough. Play 10. We're doing rows of 4. 8, 10. So that's 3 rows. Yeah. There. Looks like we got everything that we need. Hopefully. Definitely is gonna be a lot. Well, let's see how we're doing on our power. Oh. Yeah. We're gonna have to make more power before we start up that whole thing. Spoozy. Yeah, we're gonna have to move those stairs. Find them. Alright. 1. So then, if we... How far out were we spacing these guys? That looks like about 1 tile there. Not gonna be wide enough to... Yeah, that'll be wide enough, I think. So then we're just gonna have a row of just smart splitters. Or yeah. We gotta do, looks like another 5 yet. Let's see. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then... Okay. I think we might have gotten a little tight on this one here. Yeah, we're gonna have to move that whole road. Yeah, we'll just go out to here for good measure. Okay, we're good. And then there's the last one. And we can still have an awesome sink just chilling over here, sucking down any extra resources that are being pushed out, or, well, actually, think more effective. Well, no. If you pump in more at the same time, that won't work. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we'll just do an awesome sink over here on the end. Now, can we do... None of these, or do we need more? Okay, we can do 10. Sweet. Let's get... Oh, right. That one. Alright. Now... get these guys all hooked up and plugged in here. Let's get these other guys connected up here. This one. Now that'll make 21 of those. Gotta... get everything hooked up here. And we'll get the power turned on for all these guys here. Excuse me. Yeah. And then... like that. Not right. Oh. So, oh, I see. I think I'll have to figure out a way to decorate this part of it so that it looks a lot neater. Right. So that's done, that's done. Nah. Going about an hour over typical end of stream time here. I think we're gonna end off here for tonight now. Let's see who's live. Well, I think we can probably send everyone over to them here. Oh, okay. I guess we're not gonna raid them. They're ending. Let's see. I think we will send everybody over to yeah, we'll send everyone over to this person here. This Bean. Alright. Let's see if they'll... Sure. Okay, cool. I'm gonna be raiding out to Canadian Dragon here. They're currently playing RimWorld. I appreciate everyone for stopping in and hanging out. Constant Conrad, if you're still here, I appreciate that raid from earlier. If you missed any of our previous streams, we do usually upload to YouTube within about a day or two of the stream. Feel free to head over there and check it out. The link's down below. And until next time, we'll see ya.